Hi friends, today's topic is biostatistics, where bio means life and statistics means data or numerical data, where data is of two types, population and fraction of population, where population is denoted as capital N, and fraction of population also denoted as small n. As for example, if 100 is population, so fraction of population is 20. Data is another two type, frequency data and non-frequency data. Frequency data. Frequency data and non-frequency data, where non-frequency data means a random number like 8, 9, 12, 40, 41, etc. But frequency data has sufficient like or specific like. As for example, I show you a table. So this is the table where length of tail inches and frequency, where two animal has 5 inches tail, 3 animal has 11 inches tail, and so on. Okay. Data is another two type. They are grouped data and ungrouped data. Another type is grouped data and ungrouped data. Actually there are various type. Okay. The major portion of biostatistics is central tendency, means averages, and central we calculate central tendency in three way: mean, median and mode. So central tendency, mean, median and mode. In next video I discuss with you about mean, median, mode briefly and its example, application, etc.